afternoon and welcome to the news Titbit on Procyon radio and television. I am Mercy OFUYAH with the news. International election observers under the aegis of Pan-African Women Project have stated that the March 18, 2023 governorship and state House of Assembly elections held in Akwa Ibom State have met the international commendations of free, transparent, and peaceful conduct of the electoral process. They made the statement at a press conference held on the 21st of March 2023 in OFUYAH with the theme Strengthening Democracy. The Pan-African Women Project, which is an international non-governmental organization which comprises of women from 54 countries in Africa, has observed several elections in over 15 African countries, including Nigeria. The non-governmental organization said it deployed over 150 trained election observers to the 31 local government areas and made their observations and submissions in the areas of logistics, INEC ad hoc staff, turnout of voters, security, vote buying, technology, and many more. The organization's spokesperson, Candace Solomon, at the press conference commended the Independent Electoral Commission, citizens of Akwa Ibom State, and security personnel for organizing a free, transparent, and peaceful election, which prompted them to adjudge it as having met international standards. The observers, however, called on security agents to address all security lapses in the 2023 election and employ more personnel into the system to improve a more effective network during elections in Nigeria. They also noted the general low turnout of voters in the exercise and submitted the INEC's performances at the presidential elections, especially as results were seen not to be transmitted to IREF across the state, had altered people's trust in the electoral system. Pastor Umo Eno of the People's Democratic Party won the governorship election ahead of Senator Basi Alberts and Akan Udofia of the YPP and APC, respectively. 4 presidential candidates have approached the Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal in Abuja with separate petitions seeking the nullification of the declaration of Bola Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress as winner of the February 25 presidential poll. The petitioners are Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, Peter Obi of Labour Party, Solomon Okangwa of Action Alliance, and Allied People's Movement's Chichi Oje. Anxiety over the release of the results of the governorship elections in Enugu and Abia states have continued as the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Labour Party continue to lay claims to victories. Both parties have mounted pressure on the Independent Electoral Commission (INEC) to declare the results and announce their candidates as the winner. Candidates who lost Saturday's governorship election and their supporters have protested the outcome of the poll and vowed to challenge the results in courts. There were protests by the People's Democratic Party supporters in Ogun and Nasarawa State, just as the All Progressive Congress in Kano State gave the Independent National Electoral Commission 7 days to declare the governorship election in the state inconclusive. The Independent National Electoral Commission has debunked a report accusing its chairman, Mahmoud Yakubu, of attempts to distort the governorship election results in Abia State. The chief press secretary to the INEC chairman, Rotimi Oyekami, said the only communication sent to the state returning officer is the commission's directive suspending further collation of results. And now we look at sports. Fans wishing to watch the Super Eagles live against the Dutuls of Guinea-Bissau at the Moshood Abiola Stadium, Abuja, on Friday will have to pay between 2,000 and 10,000 naira. The price is for ordinary and VIP seats, respectively. Interested fans can purchase the tickets at the Secretariat of the Nigerian Football Federation and NFF's former office at Wute Zone 7, Abuja. Tickets will also be available at designated places, which details to be announced nationwide. The game will kick off at 5 p.m. Nigerian time on Friday. The Super Eagles top Group A of the qualifiers with 6 points from 2 games. Guinea-Bissau are in second position with 4 points from the same number of matches. And now we look at the international scene. At least 10 fishermen have drowned when a Moroccan fishing trawler sank off the coast of the disputed Western Sahara. Authorities have confirmed that 5 sailors were rescued while 2 crew members were still missing. The incident happened in the province of Osen, 220 kilometers away from Dakar city. It is not yet clear what caused the trawler to sink. And that was the news tidbit which came to you on Procyon Radio and Television. Please do well to join us this evening at 9 p.m. for the entertainment news. We all hope you have a productive and lovely day ahead. Once again, thank you very much for listening. Good afternoon. I am Mercy OFUYAH.